Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about a plywood veneer door versus a solid wood door. Now there are certain benefits to a solid wood door that you don't get with a veneer door and vice versa. So here we're just going to cover a couple of those. Some of the benefits to a veneer door is, first of all, the price is a lot cheaper. You aren't having to pay for all the wood in a solid core door or a wood door. With these veneer doors, they are two pieces of plywood glued together with cardboard zigzagged in between and some compressed cardboard glued together to make the outside. So these are a lot cheaper and they are very easy to install. They're also a lot lighter, so if you're installing the door by yourself and don't have somebody to help you move it, a veneer door is very nice for that. Now with a solid wood door, some of the benefits are, first of all, you can actually sand this down, strip it, paint it, stain it as many times as you want because it is a solid wood door. You don't get that benefit with a veneer door. It's pretty much one and done on the veneer door. Next, your insulation on these doors are a lot better. Also, the solid wood door dampens the noise, so it helps with controlling all the sound in your house because it's absorbed into these thick wood doors. It's very nice for the bedrooms or the bathrooms when you want to keep that sound down. The veneer door doesn't help with that sound dampening at all. It almost amplifies the sound. So you want to make sure that you're using these in the right areas. It's very valuable to know the difference between these doors. That way you get exactly what you want when you go and pick out a door. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.